Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord crashing after update step by step, so you can get the app running smoothly again in 2026. First, fully restart Discord. Close the app from the system tray, then open Task Manager and end all Discord processes. After that, relaunch the app and check if the crashing stops. Temporary update glitches are often fixed with a clean restart. Next, clear Discord's cache. Press Windows plus R, type %app data %, and open the Discord folder. Delete the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. Corrupted cache files are one of the most common causes of crashes after updates. Now try disabling hardware acceleration. Open Discord, go to User Settings, scroll to Advanced, and toggle hardware acceleration off. Restart Discord to apply the change. This helps especially on systems with graphics driver conflicts. Another important fix is updating your graphics and audio drivers through Device Manager. Outdated drivers often become incompatible after major Discord updates and can cause sudden crashes. If the issue continues, reinstall Discord completely. Uninstall the app from Windows, then delete any remaining Discord folders from app data before downloading the latest version from the official website. This ensures a clean installation. Finally, restart your PC and launch Discord again. In most cases, the crashing problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you fix Discord, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more troubleshooting tutorials in 2026. See you in the next one.